only getting older, baby. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how